We're on our first motorcycle ride of the season. And Sarah, tell us, what is it that you like about riding through the Rocky Mountains?
Oh my gosh, I love everything about it. I love being on the motorcycle and seeing the scenery and feeling the wind on my face and smelling the wood, and I don't know, I just love everything about it.
It is very special, isn't it? I mean, just to kind of go out on the windy roads and see all the different things. And we
Yeah.
just came up Rist Canyon, down Stove Prairie, and now we're in Poudre Canyon. And this is just a great, great ride. Super happy to be here. Glad this summer, well, spring's on the way. It's not even springtime yet, but it really feels like it.
Yeah.